Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Brian spookyoulaterz. Let me tell you something, man. I got my COVID-19 shot yesterday, and I thought it was going to be a breeze and everything was all fine and dandy. Lord have mercy, the worst experience my wife and I have ever experienced in our entire life. My body feels like I got hit by a truck, and my head hurts so freaking bad. I've been totally out of commission all day. But when you have toddlers and kids, you just push through it, man. But anyways, enough of that. I have another box here from Fraser Hill Farms, the Haunted Hill Farm Halloween collection, and we have somebody in here. It looks like a cowboy. Oh lordy, well we're in Texas, so cowboy would be fitting. Maybe we could spell cowboy with a K, like Mortal Kombat. Y'all excited for Mortal Kombat? I am. Comes out in a couple weeks. Jeepers Creeper looking thing here. It's pretty nice. I'll tell you what, the material that they use on Randall there, and I'm not sure who this is, but it's really nice material. It actually looks like leather, but it's not. But excellent quality material. We have a barf bag. I don't know what this is. A G for a G-string. Maybe he has a G-string. I don't know. But he's blue too. Here we go. He's got some bones exposed and things like that. You know what? That's pretty good detail right there. Not too much I would have to do to fix back up. So we got one arm, I'm assuming left, right, and another one, less bone exposure here. Pretty cool. We have a head right here, so let's turn him around and find out what kind of head we got. Oh, he's got some cute little shoes, man. He got Nike Dead Jordans. Oh, look at this. Check this out, man. This looks like Eddie from Iron Maiden. He's got a little cigar. This is really neat. I like this. This one, he has like a full solid face, and it looks like his mouth might articulate. So yeah, I'm excited to see this one. I tell you what, assembly of these are so easy. So simple. You got your base, put your shoes, or put the 4 poles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the shoes, drop the pants. Ladies and gentlemen, all rise and welcome Colt. Dun 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 dun. I like Colt, man. I'm gonna call him Rex though, but he's Colt. I like him. I dig him. Really super easy to put together. I dig the way he looks, man. You put on the hat. It's pretty cool. He's got a little hair in the back. Is that cool or what? I haven't plugged them in yet. I gotta plug them in, but I wanted to show you guys. I got them up and ready to go. Hands are posable, arms are posable.
I crawled from my muddy grave to put you into yours. I've felt the worms boring holes into my body. Now feel my bullets boring holes into yours.
He is a solid, once again, prop. I love his look. Easy to assemble. The hands, pretty cool. The colors, this time he has the white eyes. I like that, with a little bit of blood and things like that. The mouth movements, everything's really sweet. The materials that they use, spot on, perfect. Should last a long time. I can't stress enough how easy these things are to assemble. You gotta put a couple more sayings in there, especially for something cool like this. He could definitely come up with at least 4 phrases that would make this a top-notch prop. Unfortunately, he only has 1 phrase, and that's what you hear. Man, all they have to do is add a few more in there, and this would be a top seller. His volume control works fine, the sensor works fine. Pricing on him, still really steep. You're gonna have to lower the prices to be competitive. But hopefully you guys like this video, and once again, I thank Allison from Haunted Hill Farms for sending these to me to do a product review and review them, and hopefully help boost their sales. But the best advice right now I can give you is you gotta lower the price. She's a good prop though. I like her. Elvira was an awesome prop. Now I got her for $109 off of Amazon, and that is a good price for that type of prop. Like I said, Randall, a solid $169 is a great price for him. Rex, or not Rex, I want to call him Rex. Colt, I would say he's a good $159, $169 prop too. These things are really tall, and that's all I can stress. They're really, really tall. All right, so once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Oh, don't forget, folks, we are only about 29 days away from Trans World Halloween Convention. That's right, Brian from Spooky Later is going to be the Trans World, and I'm going to bring you some of the best footage I can. Until next time, you guys stay spooky, my friends. Be kind, be safe, be cool, and see you next time.